Hello and welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell as well so you always get notification when new videos are coming up. Okay, so the second lick, we're playing that lick in the first position of the Phrygian scale. And if you're interested and you're not familiar with the scale, I do have a Phrygian scale lesson right here that you can check out. Okay, but the scale goes like this. The lick goes. We go from D7 to D8, then A7 to A8, and then E5 to E6. Okay? And they're hammer-ons. Hammer on, hammer on. So the second part of this lick is we're going on the B5, and we hammer on to B6. Then we'll do the same thing on the E string. Hammer on from 5 to 6, and then we'll reverse it. We'll pull off from 6 to 5, and then we play 6 and a 5 on a B string, and you can give a little bit of a vibrato. Okay. The next part of this lick, we pick that B5 again, and then we'll slide on to the G7. Vibrato, we pick it again, we slide again to 9, G9, vibrato, we go to G10, vibrato, and we slide to G12. So we use our index finger first to pick, ring finger to slide. Pick again, okay, and then from 12 we jump to 14 on the G. Okay, and that goes quick. Okay, and that is lick 2.